Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Stepping, and today's topic is subject and predicate. I hope that you might have seen my previous video on sentences and kinds of sentences. Now this topic subject and predicate is very next to the topic sentences. So now you all know very well about what is a sentence. Yes, so sentence, it is a group of words which gives complete sense. So now then what is called a subject and a predicate means here. When we make or construct a sentence, we name some person or thing and say something about that person or thing. In other words, an easiest way we can understand that we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. So hence we can understand very clearly that a sentence has two different parts. So the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. The other part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. And the subject of the sentence is normally comes first, but occasionally it puts after the predicate. For example, here comes the bus, here comes the teacher, here is the solution. Like that we can have it. And we have learned in the previous video about kinds of sentences. There are different four kinds. So assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamative. In imperative sentences, we might have noticed that there is no subject available. So that is understood. Subject is understood. For an example, we can have sit down, thank him, work out, like that. So here, the subject you is understood. So you, the second person you, the direct dealing is there with the word you, that is the subject here. So we understand that very clearly by this that so in every sentence we have two different parts, that is subject and predicate. So I hope that you understood. So now let us see some of the examples, some of the sentences. There we can just see, identify which is the subject and which is the predicate. So now here the examples are. The first example is the boy stood on the burning deck. The second example, Bible is a man of wisdom. The third one, stone walls do not make a prison. The fourth one, the singing of the birds delights us. The fifth one, Mr. Ravi is kind enough to help others. The next one, he has a good memory. The next, bad habits grow unconsciously. The earth revolves around the sun. Nature is the best physician. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. So like that now different examples are there. So we can see here, we can easily identify the subject and the predicate. But the thing what we have to keep it in our mind is, always subject cannot be a single word. Sometimes there are cases we have two words as a subject or sometimes more than two words. The group of words also can be together as a single subject. So now we can see the same examples now highlighted the subject and predicate separately. So here it is. Thank you viewers. I hope that you understood the topic subject and predicate, and we will meet you with some other upcoming videos.